Maintenance skills that the maintenance master won't tell you even if he kills you. 1. The toilet lid is loose and shakes left and right. Align the seat cushion to the edge of the toilet first. After alignment, slowly open the toilet lid. Press and hold the buckles on both sides to remove the toilet lid. Remove two more decorative covers. Tighten the fixing screws on both sides with a cross screwdriver. Install decorative cover back in original way. Just align the mounting hole of the toilet cover with the plug and install it back. Very simple. 2. The toilet at home is blocked. Put a plastic bag over the toilet brush. If one bag is thin, you can set several more. After wrapping, poke the toilet brush directly into the sewer. Repeatedly poke the sewer with force when the pressure is too high. Foreign objects in the toilet will be flushed away. This way the toilet is unclogged. 3. The toilet flush at home is weak. Flip the toilet tank lid over. Adjust the screw rod to the longest. If the water level is too low, you can press and hold the buckle down to adjust the float. Then check the central sewer again. Unscrew first left and right. Adjust bottom switch. Adjust to the lowest level is the one with the largest water output. Finally put it back on. The problem of weak toilet flushing is solved. 4. The toilet does not return when using the drain button. Open the tank cover. Unscrew the nut of the water tank drain button. Then rotate counterclockwise to remove the screw rod. Press and hold the buckle. This way the drain button will fall out. Take out the spring and stretch it a few times. Then put the part step by step. Just install it back slowly. Then check whether the spring back of the drain valve is normal. It also has a spring inside. Remove upper half of drain valve. Tilt the button with a screwdriver. Also take out the spring and stretch it. Just go back directly to the same road. Toilet tank leaking. First check if the water level is too high to pass a water outlet. If it is too high, close the water purification valve first. Discharge excess water. Turn on the floating bucket height adjustment switch. It lowers to a nozzle below the switch. Then use a screwdriver to rotate the float counterclockwise. Adjustment screw. Just adjust it to the same height as the pontoon. Then unscrew drain valve. Check for impurities on the sealing ring at the bottom. Secondly, check whether the base is shaking. If it shakes, we can tighten it clockwise with a screwdriver to reinforce it. This solves the problem.